Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this lecture, we are going to discuss an important concept in digital forensics. It's called file system acquisition. So to begin with, let us understand the idea in a simple way. When investigators analyze in a digital device, they often need some files access for accessing like documents, images, or logs too, right? Instead of copying the entire story, sometimes it is more useful to collect only the structured and visible data. So this is where file system acquisition come into the picture, right? So file system acquisition is the process of extracting the files and folders directly from the system of the device, whatever it may be. So it focuses on the logical structure and structure in the sense directories has been the folders, right? So directories and file names and metadata too. Metadata includes the important details like when file created, when modified, and access details, and also its permissions too. Right? Now, you might wonder how this is different from other methods. So, unlike physical acquisition, which copies every bit of data, including deleted or hidden information, file system acquisition only collect existing and accessible files. Because of this, it is much faster and easier to perform. This method actually is especially useful when investigators need quick access for important user data. For example, we can say as if the goal is to examine documents or images or activity logs. There are no need to capture in the entire disk. So it also saves because this file acquisition saves times and storage capacity also considerable, and which can be help useful during the investigations too, right? So however, it is important to understand its limitations. So since this method only focuses on existing files, and it may not capture deleted data or hidden fragments, right? That are not part of this active file systems. Now, let us look at how the process works in practice. So here, at first, the investigators identifies the target device, such as like a hard disk, USB drive, or mobile storage. Then their device is connected to the forensic system using write blockers to ensure that no changes are made, whether the data is original or something they have altered. After that, the file system is accessed and analyzed. So this includes understanding the directory structure and how files are organized. In some system, investigators also examine structure like file allocation tables or nodes in nodes also, right? So the next point is the required files are extracted along with their metadata. It will be helpful for building a real-time or a timeline of user activities and understand how the data was used, etc. So finally, to maintain integrity, hash values such as MD5 or SHA or generated, so these hashes ensure that the collected data that has not been altered during the process. Okay. So to perform the the file system acquisition, investigators use these tools such as AutoSP, FTK, Major, and Encase. So these tools provide an easy interface to interact as well as analyzing file level information. So overall, the file system acquisition has several advantages. It is fast, focused, and easier to analyze compared to full disk matching. At the same time, it has limitations too, because it cannot recover deleted or hidden files so completely. So I conclude this session like file system acquisition is a logical and efficient method in digital forensics. It is best suited when quick access to structured data is required. For deeper investigations, it is often combined with other acquisition techniques too. Okay? So thank you for watching this session. The next lecture we will explore advanced acquisition techniques in digital forensics. Okay.